Framepack image to video is out, and it's incredible that we can run it on just 8 GB of VRAM. I am about to test it on my 8 GB VRAM card, and let's see how it performs. So this is the Kijai's workflow for the Framepack. I'll share all the links below. Okay, so now let's try this workflow. Okay, so let's write the text prompt. Yeah, I usually skip the torch compile settings. They don't seem very stable in my experience, so I tend to avoid using them. There's also a built-in tcache toggle here. It can speed up generation, but I avoid using it because it can sometimes add a really bad motion blur. I'll keep the rest of the settings at their default and let's run the workflow. I'm genuinely impressed with the result. The facial consistency here is excellent, and that's often the most important aspect when generating realistic videos like these. Alright, let's try generating another. Okay, not bad. Let's check out how much time it took in the Framepack sampler. So it took 2757 seconds, which is roughly 45 minutes. So yeah, it took quite a while on my 8 GB card, but the results are usually worth the wait. There's also some morphing in the hands here, but that doesn't happen always. The nearest resolution based on the bucket size is automatically selected here. The face looks a bit grainy here. Although the realism is good, I think I'll try some upscaling models to see if we can enhance it. We'll have the before and after here to be able to compare before and after the upscale. I've got a variety of upscale models available here. Let's try a few of them to see how they perform. You can see how the 4x ultra sharp makes the image way too sharp, especially for the face and the skin. It just doesn't look so natural. Okay, let's try this one, 4x NMKD CX. Yeah, this looks much better than 4x ultra sharp. Let's try 4x full hardy remarkery now. This in my experience works better for realism. Yeah, I think this looks much better. Now let's see if how accurately it follows the prompt, touching her hair. Let's increase the video length a bit and I'll set it to 5 seconds. So the nearest bucket size is set to 640, but it looks like things don't really work properly when you try to change it. I can already tell from the preview I'm seeing here that the prompt is working well. Tcache was on, but I do not see any motion blur here, which is great. So that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video.